All right, you guys, are y'all ready for the quick and easy, the best Italian spaghetti sauce? With some good old spaghettis? Oh, yeah. Stay till the end because you'll be able to make the same good old best Italian spaghetti. Also, some good old garlic cheese toast on French sliced bread. Oh, yeah. Good old cheesy goodness baked to a crisp perfection. Oh, yeah. That you just pull apart while you're eating your spaghetti. Oh, yeah. These are the ingredients. Let's get into this cooking video. Oh, yeah. All right, you guys, so these are your ingredients. And I'm going to go step by step on how to make the best Italian spaghetti sauce, spaghetti meat sauce. So I've taken that 2.5 to 3 pounds of ground beef and have onions that I've already diced up, an onion and a half of a small onion. And you got all the seasonings that you saw. They're all in this fry pan. Now we're just going to saute everything together with the ground beef. And once everything gets browned, we'll go to the next step. Oh, yeah. So as you see, everything's brown. All the onions are sauteed. All the seasonings are all in this ground beef. And as you can see, I have drained the oil and left a little bit in there. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the spaghetti in the hot waters, and we're going to go ahead and let those come to a boil. And once they're done boiling, we still want them to be a little al dente. So once they're done boiling, we're going to strain the noodles, and we're going to keep about a cup of the pasta water. Now we're going to combine our meat in with our noodles. And we're just going to mix them around because we want to get some of that extra fat that we left in the beef. We're going to make sure that's incorporated. Now we got our 2 sauces here. We got tomato, basil, garlic, and marinara. We're going to pour both jars in there. And once we get both jars in there, I'm going to get my spaghetti spoon out. And we're going to mix everything up. And we're going to let it simmer. We're going to let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. And as it's simmering, I'm going to be taking the my noodle spoon, and I'm going to be just moving everything around so that all that sauce get all into those noodles. Oh, yeah. And all that ground beef get into that sauce. Oh, yeah. Don't that look good? Okay, now everything's been simmering now for about 15 minutes. And as you can see, it's still simmering. Look at that goodness, you guys. I want you guys to try it. If you do, hit me in the comment section below. And subscribe. Subscribe and become a part of the PromoSTK family today. Hit that red button and make it turn gray, because I got a lot more recipes for you. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to get that same Fiesta cheese that we use on our bread, and we're just going to pour it on top of that spaghetti and while it's in the pot. And so when it's ready to come to the table, it'll be all melty and good. Oh, yeah. Now we're going to get into this good old Italian garlic cheesy bread. And this is how I make it, you guys. So it's quick and easy, quick and easy, quick and easy. All you need is to have you some French bread or Italian bread. You can have it already sliced, or you can slice it yourself. And then you'll need a stick of butter or margarine, 1 stick, and about 1 to 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Microwave it for about a minute, and then take and pour it all over that bread. I used a loaf pan. You can use whatever type of pan you want. Then load it with cheese. I have about 2 cups of this Fiesta cheese blend. And I just poured it all on top. Just make sure you press it down. Get that cheese all in that bread. We're going to bake that in the oven at a preheated oven on 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And when it comes out, look at how it looks. So it's pulled bread. So once you get it to the table, you just take a fork or a knife, just pull it apart with your hands and just serve it. And come meet us at PromoSTK Eating Good in the Neighborhood and watch us mukbang it. Oh, yeah.